In this video, we're going to show you how you set a notification rule. So first of all, navigate to the Rules section via the System Settings, and you'll see the list of rules that already exist. Make sure to add a new rule and give it a descriptive name. In this example, we're going to be creating a notification rule when someone is assigned to the project at a certain stage of the workflow. Make sure to select an event. So when the request is assigned, you'll see there's a few options, but we're going to use request as assigned. Choose the conditions. So again, you have some options, and we're going to say at the stage approval check, please send a notification to the assigned person. So you select the desired result and make sure to say yes to the assignee of the request and click Save.
Cheers and have a good day.